Hi you guys, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the new winter box from FabFitFun, and how cute is this box? Look at it closely. This is my favorite time of year, and I just think the box is so cute with this little winter scene. I also was able to select a few of the items in this box because FabFitFun does offer that, where you can choose some of your items. So I know a few things that are in there, but I'm excited to see what else is in the winter box. So thank you so much to FabFitFun for partnering with me on today's video. And while I am on the topic of winter and the holidays coming, I wanted to share with you guys kind of 5 tips that I use to really savor and enjoy the holiday Christmas season. I think that this time of year can either be something you really look forward to, or something that you are completely dreading. And so I want to share those tips with you. So once I'm through the box, it's done being unboxed, then I will go ahead and share kind of my 5 tips for saving your sanity this Christmas season. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box that you get up to 4 times per year. I have a code down in the description box for you that will save you $10 if you are a new FabFitFun customer, making your box only $39.99. It is regularly $49.99. However, the value of each box is over $200 based on the items that are in there, and you will see that as I unbox this box, I will quickly surpass the $49.99 price point, or $39.99 if you're saving the $10 within one item at least. So it's a super value, plus it is something that I really look forward to receiving in the mail and would make an amazing gift. So maybe this isn't up your alley, but you can totally gift a subscription to someone. So I would also really recommend that. So be sure to check out the link down in the description box so that you guys can save $10 on your FabFitFun box. I truly love it, and I would absolutely recommend it. So I'm gonna open up my box. Look at the inside, it's so cute. All pink and wintry. Now the first thing I'm gonna show you guys, I selected this. And I selected this because I love to decorate my home for Christmas, but I don't really decorate my bedroom. However, when I saw this blanket, it just screamed cozy winter to me, and so I really wanted to get it. So this is the Unhide for Love and Not Fur. So it is obviously not real fur. It's fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh, and faux. And it says no animals were harmed in the making of this faux. And it's a proud supporter of the Humane Society of the United States. So I love that because I love all animals, and that's one other thing that a lot of people may not know about FabFitFun, is that the companies that they work with and the brands that they work with, they all really have an amazing mission behind them, and they don't just work with any brand or any company. So you're supporting good organizations, good companies, and I want to open it up so I can show you guys just how big it is. And I am going to put it on my bed, and I think it's gonna add a nice wintry touch. See how cute this is? It's so soft, so cozy. I think it's gonna add a nice wintry touch to my bed behind me. So we'll just go ahead and put that up there. The next thing that I have to show you guys is this coffee scrub. I love coffee, and so I really wanted to try this. This is vegan friendly, and it's from Frank Body, and it says, guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. And it's a coffee scrub. So you exfoliate with it. It's made with almond oil, vitamin E, sea salt, and coffee. So really cute packaging. Excited to try that. The next thing that I have here is this Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness. I love eyeshadow palettes, and I've gotten some really good ones In fact, one of the ones I have on today, which I personally think that my eye makeup looks nice today, is from the FabFitFun winter add-ons. They had a Tarte palette that you could, I'm trying to get it out, that you could add on, and that's what I have on my eyes today. So I've gotten, oh yeah, love this. How cute is this? It's all different like puddings and warm cocoa, spiced caramel, mango pudding, bread pudding, chia pudding, butterscotch. Look at how pretty those colors are for fall and winter. Totally love this palette. That is something I did not know was in there, so that is an amazing surprise. The next thing is the Original Pink Makeup Eraser. It's antibacterial and reusable. It lasts 3 to 5 years. It's great for sensitive skin. It says erase all makeup with just water. What? Say no more? No more makeup wipes? It's like a little towel that you just, wow. And it says, thank you for joining our movement. Your purchase is helping eliminate the third most wasteful product in the world, wipes. That's true. So if you're eco-friendly, which I am always about being, and if I can truly use this and just wash it, wash, wet, erase, and exfoliate. And it says to wash it 1 to 2 times a week. That's amazing. I'm really excited about this. And they are on Instagram, and it says hashtag no more wipes. Follow and tag makeup eraser. So there's their little brand there, but that's incredible. I am definitely behind that. Ooh, this was another thing that I knew was coming in here, are these slippers for me. How cute are these? I've been needing new slippers, and these guys sure looked cozy. I love the faux fur and then the cable knit outside, and then on the bottom they are grippy. So if you need to just, you know, like quickly go in or out or something, you know, it's not like socks on the bottom. So these are so cute. I cannot wait to wear them all winter long. The next thing that I have in my box is a Prime and Prep detangler from Drybar. So, I mean, like, look at the size, guys. This is a full-size product from an amazing brand that will protect your hair from heat, it says, which we all need. Like slippers alone, the blanket alone cost the cost of the box. So when people are not, like, I love it. And then this one is Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash with lavender oil. Sounds amazing. Can't wait to use that in the shower. And again, you're getting a full-size product, so that's really exciting. And then the last thing that I have here is a bracelet from the brand Adore. It's available at Bloomingdale's and Nordstrom's. It's crystals, Swarovski crystals, and it is a little half circle bracelet. So you guys know I love like those little dainty jewelry pieces, so I'm really excited about that. So that is everything that was in my winter FabFitFun box. I have to admit, this may have been my favorite box I've ever got. Maybe it's because I love winter, I don't know, but I love every single thing that I got, especially these. I want to put them on. We're just gonna put them on. Look! How cute! Did you hear my ankle crack? Oh my gosh. They're adorable. I love these things. Live life cozy. I'm about that. I'm about that cozy life. So now, because we're all cozy with our winter blankets, let's talk about holidays and how we can enjoy the season, because I feel like no one sets out to have a terrible Christmas season. Everyone wants to not be stressed out. Everybody wants to be intentional. Everybody wants to live in the moment, but sometimes it's hard. And so I think now is a good time, before the hustle and bustle really kicks up, to make some choices now that are gonna enable you to enjoy the season for whatever that looks like for you. So my first tip out of the 5 that I have, which all of these things are things that I do for my own life, I just want to put that out there. And I am preaching to myself here too, because as this season starts, I just need to be mindful. And these are things that when I think back to last year, when I had a really great holiday time, I think, oh, I did these things. And when I think back to holiday seasons where I feel like it was not the best year, I was upset or whatever, some of these things I wasn't doing. So the first one I have is to set intentions for the season ahead and know that it's okay to say no. And then you make your plans off of your intentions for the season. So if your intention is to spend a ton of time with your family and savor those small moments, like driving around looking at the Christmas lights, watching a Christmas movie, drinking cocoa, like if that is your intention, which those are my intentions, then you're not gonna be wanting to fill your calendar with tons of girls' nights out and tons of social outings. If this is a time for you where you just want to spend time with your family, know that it's okay to say no. And I think when you decide what your intentions are for this season, when you plan based off of those intentions, you're not just being like carried through the holiday season, you're actually making mindful choices that are going to bring you joy and allow you to experience the joy that the season has for us if we keep our intentions and our focuses on the right things. So I think that that is really important to do, is think about what is important to you this time of year, what things do you really value, what traditions do you really value, and then make your plans based off of that. Don't think of your family and yourself as an afterthought. Plan now based off of those intentions. The second tip that I have for you guys to enjoy your holiday season is do not do things simply out of obligation. So if you've got a really rude family member who just tears you down, makes you feel terrible about yourself, has nothing nice to say, there is nothing wrong, and I am saying there is nothing wrong with choosing to not visit family members that are toxic, that are not good for you, that are going to be causing drama, that are just, if it goes against your intention for the season and you know it's not going to be good, you do not have to go visit so-and-so just because they're your family member. You can choose to have a boundary in place and decide something different this year. And you will know how to do that with your own family or your friend or whatever, but I just want to put that out there because I think a lot of times we think, oh, it's the holidays, that's sad, or whatever, and we try to use that time as a time for mending things. And while I think sometimes that does work out, sometimes it doesn't work out, and sometimes we know that it's probably not going to work out and we think that we can just handle it, and then we find ourselves in these really toxic, draining, exhausting emotional situations that really take away from what the holidays and the Christmas season is all about. So I think it is okay to say no and not just do things out of obligation. The third thing that I have for really enjoying and savoring the holiday season, however you celebrate it, is to make sure you're not going into debt. There is no Christmas gift worth a $1,000 credit card bill with no plan on how you're going to pay that back. It's just not worth it. That's not what this season and time of year is about. And so going into debt really is never a good idea, but especially during the holidays, it just adds a burden and a stress that you do not need to carry with you. If you're struggling financially, my heart goes out to you. I've been there before, but using a credit card is not going to make that go away. And so I highly encourage you to do what you can within your means and not go into debt for Christmas gifts for anyone. The fourth little tip that I have for you is to try to make a plan, try to think about, you know, when are we gonna do things like put up the Christmas tree if that is special for you. You don't wanna be like doing it at midnight if you want all of your family to be there. When are we going to go and give back to this charity organization that might be important for you? The holidays present a lot of busyness, but also wonderful things. So if you just plan ahead a little bit and you kind of make a game plan, then I feel like it's way less stressful. And doing things like shopping for gifts a little bit ahead of time, then you have the whole month of December to just focus on enjoying your family and doing those activities that you enjoy versus like running around at the mall on December 24th. That creates stress for everyone. So planning ahead a little bit definitely makes everything more enjoyable. I think whether it's hosting a dinner and just having an idea of what you're gonna serve, you know, just planning ahead, however that looks for you and however far ahead for you feel comfortable doing. But I think just having a game plan really, really helps cut down on the stress. And the last tip that I have for you, and the most important, is to focus on the meaning of the season, what this really is all about. Now, I'm not gonna get into any theological debates on the day of the birth of Jesus, like that's not what this is about. But the Christmas season is about celebrating our Savior's birth, whether it was on December 25th or a different day. And so focusing on joy and thankfulness for that is sure to make you have a much better holiday and Christmas season. Not getting lost in the consumerism, not getting lost in the materialism. All of that is fun, all of that is enjoyable, and there is nothing wrong with enjoying that part of Christmas as well, but making sure that your heart is in the right place by doing, you know, an Advent study or just whatever it is gonna do to bring the focus for you back on what this is all about, will allow you to enjoy the holidays much, much more. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Thank you for unboxing the Winter FabFitFun box with me. The link is down below to save money on that if you are checking some holiday shopping off of your list for a friend, a sister, a sister-in-law. Every woman would love FabFitFun for sure. And I hope my tips helped you. Let me know if you have any other tips that you feel really help you have a wonderful Christmas and holiday season. I am so excited for what's to come on my channel, so be looking out for an announcement, and give me a thumbs up before you go. It's a free way you can support me, and I truly appreciate you, and I will see you guys all in my next video really soon. Bye guys.